back and ready to scrap something. Merry Christmas 2020. And let's see what we can scrap for Christmas. Hey, I can see. I guess, being as it's Christmas, we could scrap toys. This, children, is how you get new stuff for Christmas. We should have started before Christmas, but take your toys apart, and then they'll be not necessarily broke, but useless, and maybe you can get new ones. Okay, what do we got here?
It's weird because it's not making any noise, but then in the middle of the night it turns on and makes noise.
Yeah, but I turned it off.
This is one haunted toy.
But yet, when it's turned on,
exactly, same thing.
I don't see how you make it make the noise.
I think that it's supposed to make noise when you bounce on this here, but it only does it when you leave the room.
Yeah, it only does it during the middle of the night whenever you leave it on.
It's
and
creepy.
Decides, I will now talk to you. Alrighty, so I guess if I take the battery out first, it won't talk to me, so I
Hopefully.
couldn't do that. Yes, ma'am?
No, I said hopefully you won't talk anymore. That thing's been creeping me out.
Alright, open this. Why would it be freaking you out?
Creeping.
Oh, creeping you out.
So earlier, Papi, you were telling me that mostly from these toys we're only going to get screws, a whole bunch of plastic,
Yeah.
and then a voice box every now and then or something.
Yeah, a little voice box. And just the screws, and I don't think the wheel. Maybe these wheels will be useless for something else, I'm not sure. But if I had more room, I'd save all the wheels for maybe some weird projects from time to time, but we'll see. Let's just see how it's put together.
What's inside of these toys?
Yeah, what's inside? Well, there's a piece of plastic that's really cruddy. And
Looks like maybe they left this toy outside.
yeah, it was outside at least when I found it, so.
That's for sure. Everything we find is outside.
Wow, this piece here is what holds the ball on. The seat thingy.
Yeah, it's
If I
interesting.
can get it to come off of it. Oh, there you go.
Bouncy concept of a toy there. Is it a ball?
Yeah. Oh, it's still hooked at the top somehow. But yeah, it's a ball with
Yeah, it is. It's still
a couple
in here.
screws
Yeah,
in there or something.
that's very cool.
I already took the screws out of that, so now is it still?
It's got, the end that you just freed had a loop like this. The other end also has this loop, but it's trapped by screws.
What screws?
The ones you're about to take out.
There's no screws there. I already took them out.
Oh, I thought there were screws.
I know.
That's weird.
Because, well,
Maybe you have to turn it. Bit of plastic.
maybe.
I have no idea.
I don't either. But maybe we'll just...
Hit it with a hammer?
No, wait till we get to that point.
Children, it's not advised that you use a hammer.
Why not?
Well,
Just not on your fingers.
yes.
And I'm pretty good at that. I often use it on my fingers.
And you're an adult, so imagine for little ones.
Who said I'm an adult? Oh.
I assume.
I guess it's supposedly. Take the screws out. Merry Christmas. Another one. Not sure if there's one in there or not. Should be, but not sure if there's one in there. Yep, there's not now. And here. Then let's see what that gives us. Ta-da! Oh, plastic. Oh, piece of plastic. That didn't take the wheels off though, did it? so that slide up and over to there and back down like that, maybe. And like that. Look at that.
Wow.
All right. Let's see. That don't have to come off of there, but it kind of snapped in there with the plastic. No screws. You want screws. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. It's like it needs a hammer.
Yay! Hammer. Wait, that means we can't do it tonight then, I guess.
Yeah, you're kind of right. That's where you air the ball up. Look, you can hold that piece and see how you get the ball off if you so desire. If not, I'll worry about it in a minute. Right now, I'm just taking off screws. Let's see if them front wheels pop off of there. They might come in handy one day for something. Who knows what? Santa's elves in reverse.
Santa's recycling.
More plastic.
Santa likes to recycle. He makes toys from old toys. And that means that someone needs to do the recycling bit.
For Santa?
Yeah.
I bet he has a recycle crew going on up there. You don't hurt yourself. Oh!
Wow.
Wow, what? You surprised because it came out?
It almost hit me in the face.
I saw that.
Also, yes, it surprised me.
Don't hurt yourself.
So there is one tiny screw in there, but that's why it didn't want to come out. That little screw was holding in this doodad here.
That's not the dad.
Doodad.
Anyhow, got the little...
Oh, the voice box. The sound maker. I guess that means there's a speaker in there.
Yeah. Oh, okay. I can't leave it alone.
Well, it's
Oh,
been
it's cowboy
tormenting
wire.
us for a little while.
Yeah, I can't see why it played at night on its own for no reason. Let me go ahead and get these
haunted.
screws out of here. They're really tough. There's that one. Let's see if we can speed this up a little.
Here we go.
There's that one. Yay! You got the little balloon.
Yay!
Let's turn this off. Bang.
Like a little
Stick it over here for now. Take this. And if the dog wants to pop it, it'll only take her about 1 second. Alright, so there's them pieces. There's still this piece. Don't see how that piece, I don't need it to come off, but
Nah.
don't see how it's gonna pop out of there so hard and easiliness. Yeah, I keep saying I don't need it to come off. I don't need it to come off. I don't need it to come off. But why am I messing with it then?
OCD?
Nah.
OCB?
Leave it alone before I poke myself here in a minute in the hand with a screwdriver or something when I try that method. No, I want it off because I think that's the only way is to take this part apart to get this little
Rattle off.
swinging baby monkey that looks weird. Okay. Very weird. Very weird indeed. Oh, look, maybe I can do this. What's that piece?
You just gonna try to brute force it off?
Yeah, but even then, I don't see how it's gonna
Yeah, me either.
get this piece here
I
off.
tried and I gave up very, very quickly.
Darn it!
Oh
Oh,
no!
look. See, I told you I could tear it up really quick if I didn't put
Well,
that there.
yeah, that's why the.
I'll put a piece of tape over it.
Ooh, don't mock Mother Christmas. Okay.
Kris Kringle.
Chrissy Kringle.
Kris Kringle. I always thought that was a potato chip.
It does sound tasty.
I didn't go that far.
Well, I mean, not that way.
I don't know what that means.
No more damaging the paper.
Okay. Alright. Seen enough of that.
You gave up too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I don't want to spend all the
Never mind that.
people watching time messing with that stupid thing. See how the wheels pop off of there. They don't have no screws. I think they're just, yeah, they just snapped on that
Yeah.
piece there, but they don't look like they're gonna easily be friendly to come off, and I don't have no need for them anyhow, so I don't really need them to come off. But if they came off easily, I was thinking about saving them, but I think I'll.
It looks like it's just about.
Yeah.
See?
You look like it was gonna hurt something. So you
Oh well, I was just ready to catch it, essentially.
Yeah, I know. Alright, let's see if we get another one. I'll also do that. Came off easy enough, but hard enough. Easier than taking the tires off the car.
That's true.
I don't know which side is best. Yeah, now we can save these for some kind of weird project one day.
Frankenstein it.
Here, hold that piece down right there.
Okay.
Wait a minute, I'll let you know when. Maybe not at all.
No, it's fine.
So, there you go. Almost damaged that one. One more.
Almost doesn't count.
One more. One. There you go.
Excellent.
4 beautiful wheels. One wonderful piece of plastic. Go to the plastic.
Where do you want these wheels?
For now you can just set them there, or even in there in that wire bucket. We're not
Okay.
taking the wire apart, are we? So, little dice.
Oh, it makes it pop up and those things jump around.
Really?
That's really cute.
Yeah.
That's adorable.
Huh?
That's adorable.
Oh, you want it?
No,
Oh,
I did like
2 years ago.
23 years ago, maybe.
Yeah, but look, you wouldn't have wanted it. It's a truck.
Yes, that made me want it.
But that's for boys to play with it.
So, I'm a tomboy,
I'm
so
just-
I qualify.
I'm just trying to see what I can get going here. Get started, that is to say.
Used to play with the neighbors' Dobermans.
Doberman.
Well, play. That's
Yeah.
an operative word. I mean, really,
Tease.
it was teasing. Yeah. When you were at work, Mom was too busy cooking and stuff. Me
Wow, cooked all day?
and my younger cousin, we would throw a ball in the neighbor's yard from the treehouse, and then see who could make it to it without getting eaten up by the dog. Now I realize that's a very dangerous game, but when I was a child, when I was like 6 years old, it didn't seem dangerous, it just seemed funny.
And you're like, the dog bit me. Well, why would the dog bite you? How could the dog bite you?
Yeah.
It's next to our neighbor's yard. Well, you see, we had to get the ball back.
Yeah.
'Cause it went over the fence.
But there was no way for it to go. Your shack shed was right in the middle, taking up most of the space. The only way was for it to be done on purpose. And like, say it's my turn to go, then it was my cousin's turn to throw the ball. And he would throw it farther than last time. And then next time it's my turn to go, and I throw it even farther than he threw it. And we could see who could last the longest. we were lucky, let's just say, because those Dobermans were fierce.
Come on out of there. That's a lot of work for some screws.
Yeah, it's full of screws, this one.
Yeah, they all are. I'm surprised everything has more screws in it than you think would. I mean, like this back here, like, I mean, you could have held it together with one.
Definitely.
Everybody says everything's so cheap, but I don't think we're as cheap as everybody thinks. As cheap as everybody thinks and claims. Wow, 2, 4, 6, 8.
Who do we appreciate?
Not the maker of this.
Papi! Is it Fisher Price?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Made. I can't see. Was it China or Taiwan? No, neither one. Oh yeah.
China.
Made in China. Uh-huh. Yeah, but the company's in the UK.
Wow.
I didn't know that.
Me either.
Shows ya, we don't know as much as you think, huh?
I don't know nothing.
You know nothing?
Nothing.
I know nothing. I know nothing. Well. None of these screwdrivers want to be the right exact one to make this work easily for me. So impatient, I just go from one to the other. How is it that none of the screwdrivers want to be the right one? Aggravating. I give up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screwdrivers, and none of them want to be the one to fit them screws when it fit all the others. That's the same dang size. Or mostly maybe it's just because I don't have the patience to make it work.
Just reminded me of my favorite Christmas song, so I had to go save it.
Had to go what it?
Save it so I can listen to it after.
Save it?
Well, you know, copyright stuff.
Yeah, but I don't know what you mean by save it.
I
mean,
looked
you
it up.
rescued it from somebody killing it?
No, I saved it to listen to later. In my list, I have an app for music, and so
Okay.
I saved that song to listen to later.
Okay. I don't know what you're talking about. I do know.
Though.
Huh?
People know. The people that are watching, they know.
How could they? They sound as confused as I.
No, they either use Spotify or
Oh, now you're telling more information.
Apple
see?
Music or something. They know what it's like to use applications to get music. I would have played it right away, but I don't want to get struck.
Get music? Well, you just reach up in the cloud and you get music or something?
Yes. It's fantastic.
Well,
Instead of paying like $20 a CD or an album.
the only thing I ever get out in the cloud is rain, hail, snow. Now you laugh and you think that's funny.
Yeah, it is. It's cute.
It's not. Who wants to get rained on?
Yesterday, it was raining a lot, and that was horrible.
Look, I'm gonna do this, and then it's gonna stab me in the stomach.
Could you not on Christmas Day?
Yeah.
I don't want to spend the day in the emergency room.
Day's over. It's nighttime.
I don't want to spend the night in the emergency room. Mostly, I don't want you to stab yourself in the stomach with a
But
screwdriver.
that's nice.
You're welcome.
And the bad thing is I'm taken me a year to take out a few screws off the bottom of this wonderful, stupid toy.
So don't be discouraged when you're taking your toys apart, kids. They'll
Yeah.
be full of screws.
You should have by now moved on to the hammer.
Which we still don't recommend for you to use unsupervised.
Yeah, maybe the axe is better.
Hatchet. Axe is too long a handle.
Why? There you go with that axe and hatchet stuff again.
I don't know why you're talking.
That's what I know. I know this is irritating me to not be able to get these out simple. But I mean, I've got 4 screwdrivers laying here and none of them's what's necessary. Dang. I'm really getting uptight with this one. This one's gonna have uptight. Hey, that's what it is. Tight. It can wait a few minutes.
Alright, pass to the next one. That one was mostly
Sweat.
screws.
Look at this beautiful thing.
Ooh, my little Barney.
Yeah.
My little Barney, my little
And
Barney.
there's hardly no screws in any of it, so it's just a big waste of time. How did they get that pressed in there?
Are you gonna bring out the dragon roller too?
What dragon?
Outside, the thing we found a couple
Oh yeah.
Want me to go get it?
Not yet because I don't want to move the DOG.
Oh yeah, true. She's in the front of the deal.
Yeah, because then she'll be wanting
Oh, you Kiki.
to come and go and be part of and in the way and.
I'm surprised she hasn't got up yet.
Anyhow, there's some screws. So let's steal down a couple of screws. But mostly it has some kind of music box or something in the bottom of it. That's why I picked it up to see what it was in the bottom.
Yeah, if anything, it's a speaker, right?
Yeah, other than that, there's just a couple of screws here on it and a couple little iron bars, which may be way too hard to get out for what it is. Why is that piece there? Oh, that piece moved around there, but there's really nothing there to make it do anything. Okay. That's weird. That piece moves there for some weird reason. Yeah, I'm sorry, you can't see what I'm seeing in there is good, but how about some barn doors? I don't want to come out that way. Hey there. This is another wonderful piece of crap. Oh, there's some screws there too. So should I do something about getting them? I don't know. Let's go back to the bottom right here. Right here on the bottom, look, guys. I don't know what's in there, but there's a screw. And there's a screw right there. Another one right there. And come on. It's got a nice washer on it. I think the same over here. Oh, I had the washer because them doors swing. I get that one. This one. This will get you new toys, like I said. Junior scrappers. Oh, there. Don't drop that like that. Stab yourself. Yeah. Junior scrappers. Start out like this. Work your way up. Well, it's actually really start out like this. it'll show you why you should stay in school, have a much better career. Then you could be the one that throws all this away for the scrappers instead of the one that's scrapping. Although I have known a couple of rich junk men in my life, so I remember being 6 and seeing the house across the street with all the stuff in the yard. There's a lot of iron poster beds, and it's made me want to be the scrap man. But dang, looks like he has fun. Yeah, that's one heck of a terribly rusted out battery there. And there's another one there. Another one there. Okay. Alkaline batteries. Huh.
Never heard of it.
Alrighty, so that's that. Let's put the little door back on. Just in case. Okay. What's going on with those things? I don't know. Can't tell nothing about. Oh yeah, forgot. Pop this in down here. Why won't it pop off? It had screws on it. It should come off, right? Why would you need there? It's coming off. That's odd. Why is it so hard to cooperate? Maybe because that other part's still there. My goodness. I'm gonna go back to taking the junk apart because it was much easier than taking the toys apart. I say junk. It's not really junk. What's in there anyhow? Some kind of contacts. Now it made me interested. Move all that out of the way. Like I broke it in half. Ow! That was almost my toe you fell on there, pliers. That's not good. It's not nice to Mother, Father Nature. Man. Well, where was that screw I seen a while ago? There. There. This is more little tight stuff. No, this is little people. Oh, is that little tight too? No, that's Fisher Price. Okay. Where did I see that dang screw? Oh, there either. Maybe it was on the other side. I don't remember now.